Hey everyone, this is Team w22-7pm-3 and w22-7pm-4 presenting the Happy Cows website. Team members of w22-7pm-3 include Xiyue Wang, Chase Alcorn, Isaac Chen, Thomas Hale, and Michael Glushchenko. Team members of w22-7pm-4 include Allison Huang, Elizabeth Armstrong, Olivia Gillum, Ryan Wenger, Simon Yu, and Wiki Zhao. To begin our showcase of the website, we can log in using the Authentication 2 feature. Clicking the Login button and logging in with the correct credentials takes us to the Howdy Farmer front page. Here, a drop-down tab named Admin shows up for admins. Clicking this drop-down menu, we can see a Create Comments, Users, and a List Comments tab. Inspecting the Create Comments tab first, a click takes us to the user, takes the user to the Create Comments form, where the user can fill in the commons name, starting balance, cow price, milk price, start date, and the end date of the game. If we click the cancel button, it will take us to the previous page. So we'll go ahead and click the create for this comment. Creating the comment allows a mock to pop up that signals we have successfully created the comment that we can now join and visit. Visiting this comment shows the information we just entered into the form, including the end date, the market cow price, the milk price. You can see that the sell price is calculated based off of the market price and the cow health. Now, the buy and sell buttons do not function properly. I'll talk more on this in the challenges section, but the profits drop-down tabs do work. Even though the profits do not get calculated in the front end as expected, we can go back to Swagger UI and check out Profits Controller to show that the backend for profits functions properly. Clicking the post endpoint in the Swagger UI Profits Controller allows us to fill in the date, profit, and user commons ID. Once we click execute and go back to the front end page of Happy Cows, we can see that the information we just filled in was indeed successfully posted to the profits table. Moving on to the other tabs in the admin section, we can see that clicking users shows the users table of the users in the database, and clicking list comments takes us to the comments table. Here we can also click the edit button and edit a current comment. You can see that you cannot edit the ID of a comment, but all of the other information can indeed be edited successfully, including the start dates and end dates and all of the prices. Once again, clicking the cancel button will take us to the previous page. So we will click update to showcase the success. A mock pops up signaling that we successfully edited the comment. Going back to the front page and visiting this comment, we can see that all of the information inside of the comment has been updated accordingly, including the sale price that has been recalculated. That concludes the showcase of the website features from the front-end user perspective. At this point, I'll talk a little bit about the challenges we faced as a team. A good example of a challenge faced was when Stephen, Thomas, and Chase tried to implement the buy and sell buttons, which, as you can see, do not work and were never merged into main in the end. They spent about 3 to 4 hours on this, and we're trying to figure out how to get the front end to communicate properly with the back end. They checked numerous examples from previous projects, other examples in current code bases, and after many failed attempts, they did finally figure it out. Some of the methods they used was implementing a use backend function that was later correctly changed to a use backend mutation function. They tried implementing an Axios to cells param in a utilities.javascript file, and then implementing that function inside the play page file, which indeed worked in the end. That challenge definitely allowed everyone to gain a lot more understanding of interactions between front end and back end and some of the specific functions that we came across. That, for the most part, concludes the presentation of our team.
All right,